start giving in. Dark clouds are waiting. I'ma keep my mind straight. I will never let them in. I will find my clarity.
Alright, these friends, we're ready to go. Tara, tara, tara.
Let's day 3 in Siargao.
Yes.
Let's hit 3 islands here in Siargao, which is
The Guyam Island, Naked Island, and Daku Island.
So let's through this adventure and
Let's go.
let's go.
Pasakay namin sa boat with the locals of Siargao. Tara na, sakay. Tara mga usap na ni kabarangay de. Hi guys!
What's up?
Tara na?
Tara, let's!
Alright, these friends! Tara namin sa boat, guys! Hi! Wendey! Joshua! Chua! And kaya mga baby boys ni Mark. Wow! Hello! Baby boys! I'm so happy, kay. Look at the weather. Nice.
Very sunny.
Sunny. Unlike yesterday.
One, guys.
Yes, because yesterday it was very rainy. And karon kay init sa Siargao, so we need to apply sunscreen. Apply ng sunscreen sa kong naong and sa kong kuan dere.
Courtesy of Skin 911.
Skin 911, alang malakas. Thank you, Skin 911. For 30 minutes, and after here we'll proceed to
Daku Island, which is we are doing there the BOODLE fight para po party party.
Let's go!
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought it's like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl.
We're here in Daku Island. Daku, guys, in Tagalog is
Malaki.
Malaki. In English, it's big. So this is called Daku Island because it's the biggest island
It's very Daku.
out of the 3 islands that we will visit. Or yung Daku Island is the largest island of Siargao.
Yeah, ito po yung tourist spot po. Dito po kasi nag-stop yung mga tao kapag gusto nila mag-happy-happy tsaka
And
banding. Dito po magla-lunch.
Oo.
Budol
So,
fight.
mag-budol fight na.
BOODLE fight, yeah.
Okay, I'm excited and very hyped, guys. Grand Mug Cottage, nadadala ang cottage. Pila sad ang cottage?
I think it's 250 per,
215
per cottage.
250 per cottage, guys. And ang entrance, wala. Merong entrance din.
May entrance pero bayad na po yung entrance.
Pero magkano yung entrance?
I think the entrance is per head is only 30 pesos
30
each.
pesos. And sa Guyam, 30 din, guys.
Doon po tayo sa taas. Pero
Yes.
kayo po kapag po doon sa mag-picture.
Oh, I like the
The
my skin
area.
here. Oh. Wow! Charot! While waiting for our lunch, guys, because they're still preparing our lunch, we'll have a boodle fight later
Alright.
for our lunch. So, karon kay mag-explore sa Misa Island here in Daku Island. I think we'll do photo shoot and magkuha namin mga b-roll, and I think I will fly my drone, but let's see because it's very windy. And ganina kay Nakulbaras, pero man Jude, uy, always man Jude, every time I fly drone kay marag akong heart kay pero guys,
Mao na mong ipangita guys, bahalag mga itom diri guys. Basta makapanlagid sa beach.
yesterday
Siargao.
kay gloomy man kayo ang weather and ang sky and karon kay at least init na siya. Muna na Jude siya pang beach, pang summer na vibes. We'll be staying here until 3 p.m. and after that kay mo to sa Naked Island. We'll stay there from 3 p.m. until sunset.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
So manamig photo shoot. Halingora ka.
Yo.
Kapoy.
Sulit.
Very hot. Wala na may maligo
Itom na kayo,
guys. After na lang may sa photoshoot mukhaon og daghan. So, nag-prepare na sila sa mong food. I think ready na siguro kay it's already 11:30. Well, let's see. After na mo kaon kay maligo mig dagat.
Boodle fight. Let's go.
Yep.
What's
Hello,
up?
boys. Hello. Dali, ano sa mong name?
Mowgli.
Single?
Single. But ready to mingle.
Ben! Charot! Oh, ikaw naka-date, ikaw na Valentine's Day.
Sana all my ka-date.
Dali.
Leo.
Dali. Mga nag-chill-chill na siya.
Daan naman
Ano mga
may
baby
nag-date.
boys si Mark. Mark! Ito yung shoutout si Mark B. Mark!
Boss!
It's ready na my food! Hello! Isa nag-prepare ni? Isa nagluto?
Ako! Ako nagluto! Lahat! Kami lahat nagluto ng saging. Ay, doon lang.
Nagluto saging.
May saging.
Oh, you're not invited!
Love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go.
Wala! Hurot!
Sorry hindi pa tapos si ano eh. Kumakain pa siya.
Ay, sorry.
Nakula daw siya, oh! Mga guys! Bye! Bye! Basta ko guys!
For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Maybe your heart is falling.
Candidate number 1! Colin Smith!
Maybe we should talk.
Kung ako sa kanya, nililigawan na
So, arrest na din eh! Copyright po kami guys!
kaya sa
Copyright!
dami ng iyong ginagawa. Kapag makilala ka, sana lang idaraon.
Felix, oh!
Habang sa langit ang langit.
Paradise friends, we're going to Naked Island. Kuya na ko si Pinoy Travel Freak. Hello! Anong channel mo? Pinoy Travel Freak lang.
Yeah, Pinoy Travel Freak vlog.
Subscribe! Anim lang kami guys. Anong Tagalog mo ko eh? So, unang rami guys na mo adto sa Naked Island. Mabalik kami diri sa Daku kay diri mi mag-sunset. Yes. Let's go.
Actually, sir, pwede magwa 1 hour lang tayo doon kasi
Ay,
yung
oo, init din.
init. Tapos, para pag sunset, dito na tayo mag last testament.
Laban girl.
Punta po kayo na Naked Island. Gusto niyo sumama?
Pwede mag-naked doon.
Sumama kayo.
Pwede mag-naked doon.
By the way, Char, may kasabihan dito, pag pupunta dito, naka-naked po kayong lahat. Deal or no deal?
Hi guys! Made it here in Naked Island! Guys, it's super hot! You know what guys? Ako na dyan ang tao dire oh. Look at that! Wala ka tao-tao! All by myself! Na sila dito di ay, wala pa dito sila naog. So, magkuha lang tabi dito guys, mag-picture-picture ka diyot. And magmalupad big drone. Photo-ops lang kadiyot. Tapos, si Francis, naligo na.
Kami lang dito.
Oo, walang ibang tao. Mga bato lang at saka mga sand. Guys, I think we'll just stay here for 30 to 1 hour. Well, it depends kung ano. Pero anyways guys, I think maligo ako diri guys, kaya wala pa ko kaligo. Pag kumana mong kaon dito, kaya nag-picture me and nag-relax. And yes, thank you so much Gotmark Tours for this opportunity.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
So this will be our last stop day guys, out of 3 islands because we've already visited Guyam Island, Daku Island, and Naked Island. So as you can see guys, kami lang talagang tao dito. Wala jud laing tao guys, kami ra jud na group. And it's called Naked Island guys because as you can see, there's no trees, naked talaga siya.
Falling, yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You said my
Guys, may nakita ko si Rena guys, tara oh. Loves.
Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
Alright guys friends, so balik na mi sa Daku Island guys. So yeah, kadiyot yung kay mi diri oy kay init jud kaayo, luto na ko. Alright guys friends, so we're just waiting for the sun to set. Nalo siya guys, nag-wait na lang mi. It's currently 5:15 PM. And by the way guys, nandito rin si, ang ganda-ganda.
So, Wendey ka, I'm from Colleen Hammersmith. I'm the most viral video in
Oo guys, siya na itong nag-viral dito sa Facebook. O
Oo.
sa to ng video.
Commander Challenge. I'm wearing the high heels and also the wind bikini.
Sample ko rin, sample din. Sample sa rampa-rampa. Dapat ano sis? Yung ano sis? Sige.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go! Ay, wow! Nadali guys! So, ano siya guys?
Yeah, if you want to be in Siargao, just call me as a tour guide. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Yes, also na siya na. Naka-MGS ka diba?
Yeah,
So,
also
Sa asap? Wow! Really? Lo, sikat na dahil ka. Dili mapapicture ka sa sikat. Charon!
Yeah!
I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. No more. 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no, I
sun. Wala yung dapat kita yung glory. Charo, wow! Diba guys? So yeah, I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching.